In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Gymshark discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Gymshark discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. So as you can see right here, we have a list with different type of promo codes that we can use to get a discount. So for example, if you want to get this one with up to 15% discount on your purchase, simply tap on this promotion and the promo code will show up right here. You can tap on this promo code to copy it and you can use this one on your next purchase to get this 15% discount. Also, going back to our main search, if you scroll down, you should be able to find this website which is called Simply Codes. And as you can see, we also have a list of different type of promo codes right here. So for example, if you want to get this one with 10% discount, simply select get deal, and for this one there is no code required. You can simply tap on get offer right here and you'll be redirected to the website where the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.